Nuts? What what did you want to eat, buddy?
Nuts.
Nuts?
Nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah.
How do you know what nuts are?
Nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah.
What are you saying, Asher?
Nut.
Nut?
Yeah.
Nuts?
Yeah.
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 Asher, did you have fun at the gym today?
Yeah.
What did you do at the gym?
Papa.
You went in a car?
Yeah.
Did you run around a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you play on a lot of stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you eat any nuts?
Yeah.
Hey.
Nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Interview's over. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?